प्रीलोडेड गानों वाला कीपैड फोन धमाकेदार साउंड के साथ कारवां मोबाइल।
A new life forms within the safety of my womb. And unknowingly, I transform from a woman into a mother. My needs no more my own. I now have the privilege to give and nurture. Pleasure and pain merge in this cosmic experience of creation. And I can think of nothing but you, my little one. This world will soon be your playground, a place where you will grow into your own unique personality. But for now, within the safety of my womb, I try each day to create a perfect universe. So you come forth into a world of happiness, comfort, and peace.
Pregnancy and bringing a child into the world is an experience that is unique only to women. But it's also a time of immense change, of excitement, joy, anticipation, nervousness, and all these fluctuating emotions can get sometimes quite overwhelming. Yet we all intrinsically know that we want the best pregnancy possible. And we also know that our baby has started experiencing the world through us, therefore making it even more crucial to have a powerful, empowering experience. I've been a yoga practitioner for the last 10 years, and when I got pregnant, I felt no need to stop. With my yoga teacher, Tonia, who's also a certified prenatal yoga instructor, we developed a routine that I could follow through my entire trimesters of pregnancy, and I continue to do so in my third trimester. Developing this prenatal DVD was very important to both Tonia and me, so that we could help expectant moms stay fit through their pregnancies, as well as deliver healthy and happy babies. I'm going to let Tonia tell you about the experience of her pregnancy with prenatal yoga and a little bit about what this routine is all about.
Prenatal yoga really enhanced my attitude towards pregnancy. I also wanted a pregnancy that was free from fear and really empowering. And I soon learned that being pregnant is one of the most powerful times in a woman's life. And that mother and baby are so intrinsically connected that then when there's any toxicity in the body or any stress, that it goes straight to the baby.
Affects the baby.
Yeah. I found that with my practice, I'm able to live more purposely and efficiently and a lot more calm and connected. Especially that really helps being a mama. And when I was time to give birth, I was able to give birth very consciously. At its core, prenatal yoga really trains the woman's mind and body to be able to give birth. It's not that it necessarily reduces the intensity, but it increases the awareness and heightening the entire birthing process.
It's true, the time that I spend on my mat really helps me get attuned with my body and my baby. And there are times when I instinctively know what my baby requires. The purpose of this routine is really to create flexibility within the body. So it gives you your muscles the memory and the tone so you can bounce back post-pregnancy to your optimum weight as soon as possible. Also, very importantly, this routine deals with the actual birthing muscles, the muscles that are utilized during the birth process. So your lower back, your abdomen, your pelvic muscles. It also opens out the hips so that when you're ready for labor and delivery, you're all set and good to go. It also releases endorphins in your system. Any workout does. Whenever you're working out, the endorphins that are released help get you into a happy, positive state of mind as well as keep you active. I really believe that in every stage of your pregnancy, if you have been accustomed to any kind of workout before you got pregnant, it's really important to keep the body moving while you are still pregnant. This also helps in the body not being inactive or having a period of lethargy while your pregnancy is going on. So a word of caution that I would like to advise all viewers though is please check with your gynecologist and doctor before undertaking any form of yoga or exercise through your pregnancy to make sure that you are not suffering from any pregnancy related complications and are free and able enough to participate in a program. So take a look. We really hope you enjoy this program and the content that we have created for you. It's really worked wonders for me and I'm really happy to be able to share this with you all.
Yoga is a powerful form of exercise that not only encourages flexibility within the body, but also within the mind. Consider this a gift that you're giving yourself and your unborn baby. Prenatal routine will calm your daily stress, thereby sweetening the inner environment for your baby and keeping you in a calm and positive state of mind. As you stretch into poses, you will naturally start to relax and tap into that inner wisdom, automatically opening up for yourself and the growing baby within inside. You will learn as you carry on this journey of prenatal yoga that your breath is the greatest ally in this inward journey. Yoga awakens mind-body harmony, making it easier for you to make healthy decisions for yourself emotionally and physically.
Meditation is an important aspect of the prenatal yoga program. By tuning into this great energy and awakening it through mantra and meditation, we create a positive energy field within and around us. Moreover, the mantras directly tune into our baby's unconscious receptive minds and create positive patterns in the brain, giving the baby an experience of bliss. The baby naturally learns calming breathing patterns and comes into the world with the knowledge and experience of being connected to the divine.
In this meditation, we will use a repeat mantra. First in a soft humming voice, and then as your meditation deepens, you can repeat it silently to yourself. The mantra that we will use is Har, meaning God's energy within and beyond us, or Hari, meaning the creative energy of the divine.
Sitting comfortably in Sukhasana, close your eyes. Place your right hand on your heart and left on the baby. Bless yourself and gently begin to repeat the mantra Har, Har, vibrating the R, Har, 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 Har. This mantra calls up our creativity and knowing. Har. You are generating the ability to bring in what you need and destroy what you don't. Har. 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 When you feel centered, stop repeating the mantra. To come out of this meditation, deepen the breath and slowly place your hands on your thighs, palms face up. Bring your awareness to deep inhalations and long exhalations, breathing right into the baby's space. When you're ready, lift the eyelids and soften the gaze.